So hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is like a free day. I figured I would start off with doing my makeup because recently a lot of you have been asking about it, and you guys already know like I'm really simple when it comes to my makeup. But the makeup brushes that I'm going to be using is from Vanity Planet, and this video is sponsored by Vanity Planet. I got an opportunity to get some brushes. I'm going to be 100% honest, I'm just a little lazy when it comes to cleaning my brushes. So it's always good to have backup for my backup. This is pretty much the essential kit. It's called Blend Baby Blend. So it has everything that you need in the kit, from your blending, your eye, all that. Ooh, look at that. What is this? Lip liner brush. This is cute. I never had one of these before. Oh, okay. I thought it was I thought it was just this. I was like, what? This is cute. Okay. And then you have the angle brush. I like that everything comes individually wrapped. So this is really pretty. Oh, I'll leave a link in the bio, you guys. These are really pretty. And they're synthetic brushes, just for the record, if you guys are wondering. They're synthetic brushes. I like this. This is super cute. Why I feel like I want to do a giveaway? Should I? I have quite a bit of brushes, and I think I'm gonna do a giveaway. Are you guys okay with that? I'm gonna show you guys something at the end. That way you can stay tuned, because there's something that I have to do a video for, and I think this would be a really great addition. I start off with stud in the back, and then I go with spike in the front. The spike is the lighter of the two brow pencils, and that's just how I get my brows. I try not to go outside of my brow. I have a brow tutorial up. I'll leave it there too if you guys are interested in seeing that. I'll leave it at the end of this video. And that's it. And the good thing about this is when I do take off my makeup, my brows don't look like it just disappeared into my face. It's still pretty decent. Okay. That's it. That's it. Oh, hold up. I took too much off. Hold on. Let me just put a little bit back on there. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Like, your fingers can definitely work some magic. And I'm gonna be going in with the melted chocolate. This one is called Candy Bar. It's super neutral, nothing fancy, you guys. Oh, look at that chocolate. It's like a lip gloss. Just lip gloss. Pop in. I'm not gonna flat iron my hair. I'm just gonna leave it like this, but that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and change, and I'll meet you guys back in the master bedroom. So, hey you guys. So I'm in the master bedroom, and pretty much I'm gonna be hauling a few items that I have been picking up. I think it's been as far as about 2.5 weeks I started ordering some of this. If you follow me on Instagram, then most definitely you saw some of these pictures already, because I shared it on my stories on Instagram. So if you're not following me, follow me on Instagram, because even if I don't post something on YouTube, I just feel like Instagram is a lot easier. Like, I can just take a picture and just share it really quickly, and the information is out there. But YouTube is more editing and stuff like that. And I've been working really hard on my editing, so hopefully you guys noticed the upgrade. What else? I'm a little out of breath, sorry. My son's tutor just came in. We're gonna go ahead and jump into some of the items that I purchased, and then we're gonna jump into the rug so you guys can actually see it. I love the lighting here in the master, which is why I'm in the master bedroom. My camera's like literally at eye level on the floor with me. But everything that you're gonna see in this video is from Overstock, minus the item in this box right here. Let me just say before I start really quickly, I went on Overstock, and 2 weeks ago I ordered the rug, I ordered the pillow. Oh, and then I ordered the cushion for under the rug, and the pillow kept saying processing. So once the rug was delivered and then the mat was delivered, I was like, what's going on with the pillow? And it still was saying processing. So I gave it a couple of days, and then I believe it was about 4 days after these items were delivered, I finally broke down and said, let me just call Overstock. So then I called them. When I called them, she said to me, oh, I'm really sorry, I'll go ahead and submit them for them to ship it out now. So then another week went by, I still didn't get it, and they still said processing. So I'm like, what's going on? And I'm like, well, maybe I have to order another pillow. Let me just cancel the order. So then I called Overstock, and that's when they told me, the sales rep, that's when she said to me, the issue is the pillow was being made. I had no idea that Overstock made pillows, but that was really like amazing. But here is the pillow, you guys. Oh, it just feels so good. Before the video ends, I'm gonna go ahead and look at, I mean, look at this. You can hardly even tell. Look at that. OMG. I mean, the pillow looks so good, and I think I'm gonna probably start going on to Overstock to get some more pillows. This was actually my first pillow order that I've gotten from them, and the pillow is just so beautiful. But karate shape, look at this. Oh, I can't even tell you where this is going, but just know it's gonna be magnifique. It's going to be so beautiful. OMG, the pillow looks so good. I think it was either $54 or $59.99. It was a little up, and the only reason why I ended up paying so much for the pillow is because you guys know I do have a couple of custom pillows, and those pillows were like $250. So I figured instead of me waiting, you know, a month, 2 months for a pillow to be made, I can probably go to like Neiman's, I can go on Hardchow, I can go on like Ballard's Design, and probably just pay a little bit more for some really nice pillows. But I was really impressed with this pillow here from Overstock, so I'm probably gonna end up ordering some more. Now, I ended up ordering a total of 3. Oh, you guys, this like faux suede acrylic material, when I tell you, it's so freaking lush. I just love it. It gives it like this really nice, luxurious look. So, just gotta puff, get it all nice and, oh, look at that. Got a second to puff it up. Puff it up. And I like the way that the zipper is just like peekaboo. So look at this. Oh my jeez, you guys, this is gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this pillow. Tell me this isn't, oh. And the pillow is from the Pillow Collection from Overstock. Oh, and the lighting in the master just makes it look that much better. Oh my gosh. One of these days, I'm gonna have to do like a pillow haul and get all of my pillows and gather them up together so we can kind of go over pillows and stuff. But OMG, you guys, oh, look at this. Tell me this isn't just like, look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys, just looks so good. It just looks so good. It's so beautiful. I love it. I think it was a really good buy. Even for the price, it was really good. Since I have the pillows down, let me go ahead and just share with you the rug really quickly. That way you can kind of see it. And then I'll get you guys just as excited about what I'm gonna be doing. So here is the rug. It is just so gorgeous. It is a 9x12. I did not roll it all the way. It actually has a little bit more, as you can see right here, that needs to be rolled out. But I wanted to bring it into the master bedroom because then you can actually see it with the lighting in here. Oh, it's just so amazing. The color of the pillow is actually picking up some of the colors in the rug. Look at that. And I ordered this just off of site. Everything was ordered online. Like, I didn't order the rug and then order the pillows after. I ordered everything the same day, and I'm so shocked that it came almost like so close together. I also have another set of 3 pillows coming in this darker shade of blue. It's gonna look so good. You guys, it's just so beautiful. Yeah. And then I also have these wall plates, which are so amazing. So around Christmas, Build.com was having a contest. If you shared their platform on your social media, like Instagram, which is what I did, they gave you a gift card for $100. And I shared them on Instagram, and I got a gift card for $100. So I was able to get the place. Now, I definitely need a few more, but it did not hurt to get this $100 to purchase a few more items. I'm excited. I feel like the house is coming together and it's moving a little bit faster than last year, so I'm definitely excited. I am 2000% happy about this rug. I think it looks so good. I am happy with the pillows. My only concern is where this rug is going, we're going to be in this area a lot, and I'm a little fearful that it's going to get dirty, but I'm going to spray it down before I put it down into the room. And then you guys already know I do have the carpet guy come and clean the rugs once a year, so this rug may have to be cleaned a little bit more frequently. But I want to say the price of this rug was only $300, and for it to be a 9x12 at $300, you really can't beat it. This whole entire order, and let me just say this before I even give you guys the price. Normally, I hate to discuss price with anything, and I'm probably not going to share the price of a lot of things that I purchased. But I feel like putting a dollar amount on something to let you guys know like how much money I'm spending will probably, and it probably won't, but I'm hoping that it will stop the question of like, are you gonna do this? When are you gonna do that? When are you gonna do that? Because I feel like we're in the same boat. I don't have this unlimited amount of funds I can just kind of go into and siphon off and just buy everything for the house. Every single month a certain budget is put aside, and I try to work within that budget to get whatever it is that we need to buy. So with this order right here on Overstock, I believe it came to about $620. So I ordered this, I ordered the pillows, I ordered, I'll show you guys this really quickly. I ended up grabbing this right here, which is the mat to go under the rug. Now, for the rug to be $300 and this was $100, like I think this should have been like 50 bucks, because the rug, the rug is a 9x12 and it was $300, and then the mat was $100. So I'm like, dang boy. But no, it's all good. The rug was actually, I think the rug was originally $800, and then it got marked down to the $300, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And then this right here was like, I think this was $110 or something like that. But I wanted to have the cushion underneath it, just because when the kids are walking in the house, even with this rug I'm gonna end up getting another one for that one. When the kids are walking, or when baby's walking, like, you hear that? And then I'm gonna open this up really quickly because I'm gonna show you. It definitely takes down the sound in the space. So this side right here is the hardwood floors without the mat, just the rug alone. You hear that? And then this is with the cushion. I know you hear it, but I can hear the difference. Hopefully you can hear the difference. I think I'm crazy. You can definitely hear the difference. It just cushions the sound and stops the echo, because I can hear the kids like when they're running, and I don't know if it's just an upstairs downstairs. This is our first upstairs downstairs. The noise drives me crazy when I can hear like every footstep. It sounds like they're playing cops and robbers, and they're not. They're just like walking, and it's just like so bad. But I ended up getting this for the rug to go underneath it. Again, I can't tell you where it's going, but it's gonna be amazing. Okay, so I've shown you guys that. I've shown you guys the pillows. I have one more thing to show you real quickly, and then the video is gonna be coming to a close. So I ended up ordering a pair of stationary rods. I didn't want the rod to go across the entire window because we have shutters. Now, this may not necessarily be your logic, but this is my logic. With custom drapery, which is what I'm dealing with now, it's really expensive. With that being said, you don't buy shutters to then cover them with drapery. It almost defeats the purpose. The price of shutters is probably what you would pay for custom drapery. So I would say you either do one or the other. And if you have the means, I mean, if you have the money, by all means, you can do both. We ain't got it like that to do both. So I know I've been asked questions about the master bedroom. If I do drapery in the master bedroom, it's going to be something so sheer, and it's probably going to match the walls, because I've tried purchasing white, I've tried purchasing cream, I've tried purchasing even like a deep blue, and I just don't like it. I don't like it. And those things don't make it onto the channel because it just doesn't make it onto the channel. But I have gone to the store and I've put the rod up and I'm like, I don't like it. It just makes the room feel like I feel claustrophobic. I don't know. I like airy spaces. I don't feel like every little corner needs to have something. I don't feel like you need to bombard your room with a whole bunch of stuff. In the master bedroom, literally, I want something in the front. I want the 2 small ottomans up underneath this console table. I want something on the wall. I want to get a chaise right here, and that's it. I like to come in here and there's like a flow. Everything just kind of flows really nicely. But this right here is the stationary rods. If you've never seen them before, this is it. Okay, I'll pull it all the way out. What this is going to do, let's just say, I'll show you the shutters. So this is the shutters. This is where the shutters end, right? And then the rest of it is shutters. So this is where the crown molding around the shutters end. What I'm gonna do is take this and put it right here. It's gonna go above, clearly it's gonna go halfway between the crown molding there in the window, all right? And it's gonna go right over just like this. So the fabric is just gonna peekaboo over the trim, and then the drapes are going to go here. If you're trying to get a really nice custom look on your drapery to make it look like you spent a lot of money, you can double up. Normally the panels come with 2 inside the box or the plastic or the hanger. Put both on this one thing and it will just thicken it up really nicely. So the stationary rod is what I'm going to end up doing in that space. It's what I'm going to do in the living room downstairs. It's what I'm going to do in the master bedroom. Don't get me wrong, I like a nice thick rod. I do. I just feel like with the plantation shutters, you just don't want to cover them. They cost entirely too much money. So a quick heads up, you guys, when you purchase this, because I don't want y'all to think, you'll be like, Nadia, you did not tell me that. Let me show you, okay? Ignore this part right here. So this is the stationary rod. When it comes in the box like this, it comes just like this. The ball is not on it. The ball has to be purchased separately. So I think together was about $75, but for me it was well worth it. Now I wish the rod was just a little thicker. I wish the rod was just a little thicker. But other than that, I love the wash on it. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked everything. I know once you see it, you're like, really, Nadia? You doing one of those again? Yes, I'm not gonna tell you what I'm doing. Like the videos are playing a little backwards because I already did my intro, I did the middle, and next week I'm gonna do the end. So it's gonna play like boom, 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 and you're gonna be like, I see what you was doing. I see what you did, girl. And you're gonna appreciate it. But I'm so excited for these pillows. I think I'm gonna go online and probably get some cream ones for the bed, because you know I just love me some pillows, honey. I love pillows, but I love really nice zhuzh pillows, honey. I'm all about the zhuzh. It just looks so, ooh, honey. Yes, 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 yes. Anyway, you guys have an amazing day and I'll see you next time. Bye. So I almost forgot. I told you guys that I was going to show you what the next part of the giveaway was going to be for the brushes. This is actually one of the smaller units, and this is a makeup pouch. So if you guys know any makeup artists, let them know, because I'm going to do a video. Like I said, this is the smallest one. There's a medium and there's also a large. So you have compartments for all of your lippies. But you guys already know me. I never use things for what they're supposed to be meant for. So I would do like my brushes, my lippies, all that stuff. So you have a carrying case. So the company's name is called LIPPIE Book. I'm going to leave her Instagram and also her website where you guys can check it out. But on the next, probably the next 2 uploads, after the next 2 uploads go up, I'll do a video showing you guys the rest of the boxes, so definitely stay tuned. So I'm going to be leaving all of her information in the link down below, her Instagram and also her website. Before the video comes out, just go ahead and go there and check out the items. It is going to be a giveaway, so you're not going to have to purchase anything. It is a giveaway. If you know somebody who is a makeup artist and they're looking for compartments, or if you have makeup and you travel quite a bit and you're a little fashionista, bloginista, what you call it again? What do you call it? Oh, jet setter. That's the word I was looking for. If you're a jet setter. Or if you're a jet setter, definitely you're gonna want to watch this video because I'm gonna be giving away 1, 2, 3 bigger than that. Go to the website and check it out so you can see what I'm talking about. But I'll see you guys next time. If you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, definitely feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.